Have you ever dreamed that you were washing clothes, maybe in a basin, river, or washing machine? At first, it might feel ordinary, but spiritually, dreams about washing clothes carry powerful messages. Today, I want to share 5 reasons why you might be washing clothes in your dreams and what they mean spiritually. Number 1, spiritual cleansing. Washing clothes in a dream often points to cleansing and purification. Spiritually, it can mean God is helping you cleanse your heart, mind, or soul. Old thoughts, mistakes, sins, or negative habits are being washed away to prepare you for a fresh start. Number 2, preparation for a new season. Sometimes, washing clothes can symbolize getting ready for a new season in life. Just like we prepare clean clothes for a new day or event, spiritually, it shows God is preparing you for blessings, responsibilities, or new opportunities. The dream is a reminder to let go of what is old and embrace what is coming. Number 3, letting go of past burdens. If you dream that the clothes are very dirty or stained, it can indicate past burdens, mistakes, or emotional baggage. Spiritually, the dream is saying it's time to release and let God wash away what is holding you back. It's about freedom from guilt, shame, or past struggles. Number 4, renewal of relationships. Sometimes, washing clothes in a dream points to healing or renewal or renewed relationships. Spiritually, it can show that forgiveness, reconciliation, or clearing misunderstandings is needed. It's God's way of preparing your heart for healthier connections. Number 5, preparation for spiritual authorities or favor. In some dreams, washing clothes can symbolize preparing to step into favor, leadership, or responsibility. Spiritually, just like clean garments are ready to wear, God is preparing you for promotion, spiritual authority, or a new assignment. The dream is a signal to stay pure, humble, and ready. So, how do you know which of these 5 meanings applies to your dream? Number 1, look at your feelings in the dream. Peace and satisfaction often points to cleansing, preparation, or frustration, or favor, Frustration, fatigue, or worry may point to struggles, effort, or hidden issues. Number 2, notice the state of the clothes. Very dirty or stained clothes show past burdens or sins. Clean or lightly soiled clothes show refinement, preparation, or renewal. Number 3, pay attention to repetition. If the dream repeats, God is trying to get your attention about a season, preparation, or hidden issues. Number 4, consider your current life season. Are you facing challenges, new opportunities, or spiritual growth? The dream usually aligns with what God is doing in your life. So, what should you do if you are washing clothes in your dream? Spiritually, pray for spiritual cleansing and clarity. Ask God to wash away any hidden sins or burdens. Declare freedom from shame, guilt, or past mistakes. Personally, reflect on areas in your life that need attention, care, or intentional efforts. Take steps to reconcile relationships or let go of old baggage. If the dream repeats, take note of patterns. Repeated dreams often indicate urgent attention. Fast, pray, and ask God to clearly show what needs to be cleansed or prepared in your life. So, dreams about washing clothes are more than ordinary night thoughts. They often point to spiritual cleansing, preparation for new season, freedom from past burdens, renewal in relationships, and preparation for God's favor. The key is always how you felt in the dream, the state of the clothes, and your current life season. Dreams are meant to guide you. Pay attention, pray, and let God direct your steps. That's all for this video. In the next one, I'll be sharing another powerful dream meaning you don't want to miss. If this helped you, please subscribe to the channel and like the video. And tell me in the comments what dream should I interpret next.